Hi, my name is Lauren Hinds, and I'm a Creative Memories Advisor in Southern California. I am so excited to share with you today the new Vitamin C collection from Creative Memories. This collection is going to be at the top of your favorites list. So let's take a closer look. Okay, so are you ready to see this new collection? Well, let's start with the beautiful new tropical foiled album. It is gorgeous. I hope you can see how the light catches the foiling. Absolutely beautiful. And this album has the Fast to Fab pages in it, which are so perfect for getting started on a wonderful vacation. Now, in addition to this beauty, there is the entire designer collection, which just gets me so excited. So let's start first with paper. There are 2 paper packs in this collection, and in total there are 6 components, 7 if you include the album. So there are 2 paper packs, the variety mat pack, the stickers, laser cut embellishments, and brand new embossed embellishments. Well, let's start by taking a closer look at this beautiful paper in this collection. There is the designer paper pack. This paper pack has amazing textures, patterns, and colors that are just going to be fantastic to layer on your scrapbook pages. This gives that pop of color and that texture and pattern that really makes your pages pop with all of these amazing, amazing colors. Now the palette is continued not only with the designer paper pack, but with the tone on tone paper pack. And it really is fabulous to have both of these paper packs because the colors, patterns, and textures just play off of each other in the same color palette. And you can see that Creative Memories actually created different colors out of the same pattern and texture. And I love that because when they have the same patterns and textures, that gives your album a cohesive and beautiful look. And everything looks planned out, coordinated, and gorgeous. Now, in addition to the designer paper pack and the tone on tone paper pack, I would also suggest that you grab some cardstock from the Solid Core cardstock collection from Creative Memories and look at these beautiful colors, and they coordinate so perfectly with this collection. So these colors are beige, leaf green, navy blue, aqua blue, and dark sea green. This makes an incredible palette. Look at those gorgeous, gorgeous colors and patterns and textures. And it's always nice to have those solid pieces to play with all of the different patterns and textures. The other component is the variety mat pack, and I love having these 4.5 by 6.5 papers ready to mat a photo. It's just the perfect size. And then you've got a lot of choices for titles and for journaling with the smaller size. So the variety mat pack is always a must add on to any designer collection. Now we've got also the designer stickers, and I love that Creative Memories is becoming very consistent with giving us a sheet of icons, a sheet of titles, and a sheet of border strips. I love that. In addition to these amazing stickers, we also have the brand new embossed embellishments, and these are gorgeous. I hope you can see that they are textured and embossed. I can see how this will just layer with all of the other components. And of course, we have a little added bling, as well as a beautiful laser cut embellishment set. And whenever Creative Memories does laser, they do laser, and it's amazing. The palm trees, the waves, the shells, all of these patterns are so easy to use and will enhance all of your pages just with the simple addition of the embellishments. Now, if that wasn't enough, they also have added 2 new tools. The Kissing Fish Border Maker cartridge, which is adorable. I hope you can see how cute that is, as well as the Seashells Decorative Border Punch, which is also absolutely gorgeous. These are just perfect for any kind of water, tropical, sea, beach, any kind of fun vacation, aquarium, wherever you need to have these kind of elements. They are a perfect addition. So now that we have all of these amazing pieces, where are we going to put them so that we can get busy and make our projects? Well, we are going to keep everything in a Power Project folder. So not only do they have a place for the embellishments at the top and tucking that bling right in the top, there's also a place for the smaller mats on the bottom right side, the larger mats ready for photos on the bottom left side. And then if you flip it over, there's a perfect spot for the stickers to go in, as well as all of these beautiful long borders. And this is a perfect place to keep your embellishments so that everything remains protected until you're ready to use it. And last but not least, now you have your nice big pack of paper and cardstock, and that can go right in the center of your folder. And so now you have everything set and ready to work on your beautiful new vitamin C collection. So now that you have everything organized and at your fingertips, I want to show you just how quickly a beautiful 2-page layout can come together using the Fast to Fab pages. When I first saw this collection, I immediately thought of a trip to Hawaii that I still had yet to scrapbook. And so I grabbed some of these photos, and these 2 pages can come together as quickly as you can just lay your photos down and have a place to put all of your pictures. And you can see, even just by putting your photos down directly on the pages with just using one little photo mat, how beautiful this page looks. Now, if you wanted to add just a little bit more to these 2-page spreads, that is entirely easy to do as well. And I decided to take this beautiful tropical paper and I cut 2 strips at 4.5 inches wide. And I love cutting the 4.5-inch strips because it creates a perfect mat for my photos. So I'm just going to use that and bring that across the entire 2-page spread. And you can see already how just adding that pop of texture and color has added quite a bit to these 2 pages. I'm going to layer my photos still in the same order. And this time I'm also going to show you that I have included a peekaboo pocket. Now this is an excellent way to grab more photos and add them to a 2-page spread. So now what I can do is have a little more room by tucking that photo underneath for a journal box. And so by adding the peekaboo pocket, I'm able to add another space for journaling and also still have a place to see all of these extra photographs. Now, again, this could be enough and I could add my journaling and be done with this beautiful 2-page spread. Or what's wonderful is that Creative Memories gives us so many options for adding even more layers and texture and richness to our pages. So I'm going to just show you, even by adding a beautiful laser cut embellishment here, that just adds another layer of color and texture, which I really like. And then using these beautiful embossed embellishments, I'm going to add a little bit more to the page as well. I'm going to add these here. And you can see just by laying these down how beautiful those pages look, just by adding a little extra color and texture. I'm going to add some more over here in this corner. So fun. Okay, now I just can't finish a 2-page spread without a sticker. So one of the things I love doing is using the custom cutting system with paper and layering their stickers. So I just cut an oval that will be the perfect backdrop for this sticker. And you can see how now this sticker just kind of pops off the page and gives a really fun element to work with. So this would be a great addition to come right down here to show how we loved that view. So I hope you can see how the vitamin C collection can work with your photographs and give this beautiful collection a try. Thanks for watching. This is Lauren Hinds. We'll see you next time.